Richard Pudnak, haul truck driver, mine department, Baker Lake, Nunavut. I started my haul truck training back in December 2011. After 2 months or so, I passed my training and I got hired as a haul truck driver. For the start of the shift, we do our walk around and make sure everything is okay. And we badge into our Wenco and wait for our assignment. The dispatch will give us our assignment, which pit, which loading unit, and it will show on our Wenco what material they're loading us, and then will know where to dump the load. Training for a haul truck, you do about a week in a classroom, and then the second week they put you in a jump seat with a driver. What I like about my job is that first is driving the haul truck. Second is I'm providing for my family. Third, I have my 2 weeks off.